Very good afternoon to one and all. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to target a good link and acquire it. So how to identify a good link to target it? See, you should always remember that you should write content in which your audience will be interested and it will bring them to your website and keep them engaged. So target the readers. This is the number one mantra. And would this page's readers be interested in my page? Whenever you are trying to build a link on others' page, this is something that should always be back of your mind. And you should adopt this philosophy and ensure you then start link building and it will work for you. It has to create a win-win situation for both of you. And if you accomplish this, link building is very easy. So let's get on to this. Do link building system ever work? Yes, it will work. In my last video, I told you avoid link spamming, not link building. You are saying that why will somebody whose website is at a high page rank value give a link to my website? Might be a question back of your mind somewhere. And this video is going to clear that out. So there is no doubt you need to discover a marketing method which will prove yourself as a digital marketer. Remember my saying, wear the hat of a marketer before wearing the hat of a digital marketer. The concepts are the same. You're just applying it on the digital platform. And if you discover this true potential, you can earn a lot of trusted links that can add value to your website. So first understand what is a good link, and then we will discuss how to acquire it with the help of a case study. The perfect link should send valuable traffic to your website and tell the search engines that your site is an authoritative site and developed for the readers. So if you're able to prove those two things, then link building will be a success mantra for your website. Let's look at the case study. There is a company called Dive Dorset Limited. It is located in the southwest England, and their holidays are unique and have featured on several TV programs. And there are articles about this company. They have a unique approach towards helping people making their holiday experience great. They actually help people to do a lot of diving related activities. Okay, and Google has also rated their website as one of the top quality websites that has top quality links. Now imagine if I am the owner of a company that is going to sell equipments that will be specialized for divers, then this is something I will look forward to get a link from. I want a link from this company so that when I sell equipments that will help people to make their diving experience amazing, I will make profit from it. So I have to write something that will attract this particular company to my website and help me share their traffic with me. So how do I go about it? Now we know that this particular company offers great diving experience to its holiday visitors. So we need to understand what kind of diving activities are these people performing. Okay, you might want to do a research as to, what is the temperature of the water. Okay, how deep are these people going to dive? What kind of thrilling or mysterious experience that these people will have, and try to develop equipments that will help their divers to have a fantastic diving experience. Probably you need to use some hero photography and capture some videos as to how people enjoyed their holidays with Dive Dorset Limited. So when you are able to do this research and present it in your web page. Write about them, write about how these people are enjoying the thrilling experience, and talk about what kind of activities happen, how your equipment can give them a better experience, and you talk about their packages, at what price they are offering, and what their customer speaks about them, their customer testimonials if you can acquire, and post it on your website. It requires you to do a lot of hard work, and you're expected to use all this info. You create the definite guide to dive off the Dorset coast, and then you approach them saying that I need a link for my website from your website. So when you are approaching them with the right spirit, with a win-win situation, Dive Dorset Limited will definitely review the page. They see the value of linking to it, and bingo, you get the great deal. Trust me, they are in for it because they foresee a win-win situation. There is an opportunity for both of you because your videos, the customer testimonials that you have gathered, and the kind of videos that you have made, these all things is a package for them. So if they divert their traffic to your website, maybe they can convert their strangers into customers by looking at the experience that is shared by already people who have visited this particular place. This is a very simple example. It did require some work, but at the end, the result is genuine quality link that I managed to get for my company, which manufactures this diving equipments. And also, I acquired a great holiday package related company, which will give me support in terms of driving their traffic to my website, who might probably buy these equipments and get converted as my customers. So there are two clear paths that one will get to follow in their journey of digital marketing. You can do a link building or a link spamming. Link spamming is a demerit based link building activity, and if you are doing a proper link building activity, it's a merit based building. So it should be very clear that link spam will require less effort, however it will not last for long, whereas merit based requires more efforts and it will stand the test of the time. So this is very important that you adopt this link building techniques, and this will be very effective. And always remember, the objective of creating a website that will stand the business it represents well in the future and the long run, and will stand the test of the time, is the real objective of link building. So if you follow these kind of techniques, I'm sure you will not be frustrated just like any other SEO specialists, because even today they are struggling to get valid links for their websites. When you need valid links, study your competitor, study their best practices, present them on your page, write content that will be appealing, then approach them for a link, you will get a link. So that's all from my side. Hope you enjoyed my case study and wish you a happy link building.